After that, you forget. The question was, what we were discussing. You said that some students shout, and then you said that you also shout sometimes. So I was asking, when do you shout and why do you shout?
Yes.
Because if you yourself create the problem, how can you say that this is the problem you face? Are you getting my point? Are you getting what I am trying to say? The topic is problems faced by students in the class. If you are the one who is creating problem, how can you say that this is the problems we face? So you have to say the problems which you are not creating. So tell me, when do you shout and why do you shout in the class? Because you told me that you also shout.
So
When do you shout in the class?
sometimes children come me to say me this, and जब टीचर रहती तभी
Try speak in English. I will help you in that.
sometimes teacher are in class, and students come me and save me from that,
Students come to you and
says मुझे बचाओ उससे, वो मुझे
while the
मारे.
teacher in the class this happens. How can this be possible? If the teacher in the class these kinds of things
वो क्या बोलते
happens.
हैं, I sit in last bench
So the
because
teacher in the class and fight is going on.
rotation, because rotation.
Yes, rotation.
So this day I sit in last bench. So my second last bench, मेरे front bench, मेरे आगे वाले
The
students.
next bench to me.
So I told her to go to the teacher and told her to he is uh,
हिंदी में बोलो.
ये मुझे परेशान कर रहा है. He is troubling
He is troubling me.
me and वो क्या बोलते हैं, मैं से तंग आ गया हूँ.
तंग आ गया हूँ इसको और दूसरे तरह से बोलो. तंग आ गया हूँ मतलब बहुत परेशान कर रहा मुझे.
तो he disturb me all time. I could say. And this.
No, you are telling you also shout in the class. So I asked you, when do you shout and why do you shout?
So I go to. And
Why do you shout? You
and
didn't shout.
After that, whose boy is troubling other students. He's come to my place and.
Shout means chillana.
No. He's come to my place and they trouble me a lot. So I go to class teacher and tell the class teacher, and he got suspended.
तुम चिल्लाए कहाँ पे?
वो क्या बोलते हैं, उसके बाद सस्पेंड नहीं हुआ था, उसको येलो कार्ड मिला था, लाइट वार्निंग. सो नेक्स्ट डे वो स्कूल आया तो वो मेरे को लंच टाइम में मिला तो हम उससे बात नहीं कर रहे थे. आई कांट टॉक.
बीच में बोलते हो इंग्लिश, बीच में हिंदी बोलते हो.
I can't talk her because he's troubling me. So मैं उससे बात नहीं कर रहा था.
I was not talking to him.
I am not talking to him. मैं उससे बात नहीं कर रहा था तो मैं जैसे ही मैं उसको उसके क्वेश्चन का रिप्लाई नहीं दिया तो वहाँ से मैं आगे बढ़ा, वहाँ से पीछे से वो मेरा हाथ पकड़ लिया. तो फिर
just because as I didn't answer him and I moved forward, he just hold my hand from back side.
Yes. Backward. So
अभी तक तुम शाउट नहीं किए हो. वाला बात बताया नहीं कब शाउट किए हो, क्यों शाउट किए हो.
So I turn my face backside एंड एंड वो मेरा हाथ पकड़ के हंस रहा था, तो मैं हम अपना हाथ छुड़ाए और फिर वो हम भाग रहे थे, वो मेरे आगे आ गया, तो फिर हम चिल्लाए जाओ यहाँ से, जोर से चिल्ला दिए, और लेफ्ट साइड से हमारी क्लास टीचर जा रही थी, लेफ्ट साइड से हमारी क्लास टीचर जा रही थी।
Okay, fine. You are making enough stories like that.
को स्टोरीज बहुत पसंद है।
Hey, so shouting, yes, students out in the class, and that creates a problem. I have seen as a teacher, I have seen in the class that many students, when there are students who sit back in the class in the back bench, when they have to ask from someone who is not near him, who is in the first bench or in the second bench, and they shout.
यस,
Right, they shout their name, they call their name loudly,
जैसे लाइक
and
आरव,
students don't understand if everybody is creating that much loud noise, how much total noise will be in the class, how much will be the loudness in the class. So that is what I tell students, if you have to call someone, why are you shouting like that? You are sitting in the back bench and you are calling someone in the first bench. You can't scream that loud. If everybody is screaming, imagine you are thinking that you are only you are screaming, but everybody is screaming like that. What will
सर व्हाट
happen?
इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्रीमिंग?
Scream मतलब कि वही होता है चिल्लाना.
शाउट,
हाँ
सर वीडियो बना रहे हैं,
हाँ.
व्हाई?
Why? Just I am recording. I am speaking. This is English spoken class. I can record.
एंड तो
So
मैं कैसे देखूंगा ये वीडियो?
why do you have to say it?
मेरे को भी देखना है।
You are not being recorded in this video. You are not coming. Your face is not coming. Okay, fine. It looks cloudy. It looks like rain will come. What is the time?
6